learning a whole lot about this relatively new city drainage system that actually drains water into the river near a well-known Denver landmark.
It may be summer, but it sure feels like fall for Elvin Smith.
We can see in the distance this really huge dark cloud.
The longtime Denver South Park Hill resident in cleanup mode after last night's quick hitter.
Uh-oh, this could be trouble.
Smith's biggest concern, the hail,
Oh, wow.
then the havoc.
By the time we got to Monaco, it was like sheets of water.
Specifically, the drains at the intersection of Montview and Ivanhoe. This was yesterday. This is late this afternoon.
That was one of the first real tests that we had for that system.
Vanessa Lacayo is with the Denver Department of Transportation and Infrastructure. She says recent implementation of the Platte to Park Hill project passed its first test.
It's one of the largest flood protection projects within the city.
The project constructed a new open channel along the 39th Avenue Greenway to collect and convey stormwater into a large box, which feeds into the South Platte River just west of the parking lot at the Denver Coliseum. Elvin Smith is still holding out for an endless summer.
It's really like being in a small town within a big city.
Knowing full well Mother Nature can also be full of fall surprises.
I would like it if the system would be able to collect it and move it at the same time, rather than having this lapse.
And that city spokesperson continues saying we did see some localized flooding, which was not a result of plugged storm drains, she adds, but due to significant rainfall in such a short period of time. Again, those plugged storm sewers being blamed on that short amount of rainfall, but a lot of it late last night. In North Denver, Greg Nieto, Fox 31.